XRP versus global chaos. Folks, I am on the run today. Let me try to set this down right there. We got to talk about it. XRP back on the move, up to $2.12 here on Coinbase. A lot of strength coming in here for the weekly close this Sunday. What we've seen here in the past 48 hours is we swooped in, picked up Maduro out of Venezuela, and so now everybody's eyes are on Venezuela, distracted from the liquidity crisis and the global margin call, amongst a few other things as well too. Perfectly timed distraction. Obviously there is, reasons why we went in there and reasons why we're going to go get the resources and commodities. And this all goes back to the resource and commodity war that we've been talking about for quite some time. And we knew how valuable all these resources were. This is why I loaded up on silver. And this is why we loaded up on XRP, because despite all this global chaos right now, XRP and the crypto markets are moving back up. Volume has returned. Liquidity's flowing back in here to XRP at $2.08 as I record this update. We went up to $2.12 this morning. So we'll see where we close off today at, which will be the weekly close for XRP. And just a great start to 2026. Now, I just put out a tweet this morning and I said, guys, we can talk about high prices all day long. But for me, and we talked about this with the Discord group yesterday too, my focus right now is taking out that sell wall between $5 and $10. We know there's a lot of short-term traders. There's a lot of OGs in the XRP community that are going to sell off little bits. There's, fair weather fans of XRP that hide their little moon bag while they shill other stuff. They're going to sell off their entire bag of XRP at $5, $6, $7, $8, right? So for me, the focus right now is taking out that sell wall between $5 and $10. Obviously, we have some hurdles along the way. Looking for us to recapture 270, right? That's the immediate level that I'd like to see us get back up to. On the way to 270, we need to flip 220 and 230. Those were prior levels of resistance and support that we've had for XRP while we've been trading in this range for the past year. But love to see XRP back above $2. Looks like we'll close off well above $2 here at 208 as I record this update. Big strength for XRP right now, despite all of this global chaos. And I think that the markets are going to move back up for risk on assets, expecting oil to chop sideways or even go down. Remember, this is what markets do. They price in future expectations of earnings. They're going to speculate that oil is probably going to be trending back down unless we get some big catalyst. The only thing that I see that can spike oil is if a big one drops. If we get some sort of big event, black swan,